door seal. This is door holder, door hinges,
and camera.
display,
Yes.
fan,
Fan.
yes,
Yes.
controller inside,
Controller.
yes,
The controller here.
inside,
Controller inside.
and extra plug,
Okay.
wire, extra for DC and AC,
Okay. Adapter, right?
adapter, and this one as well.
The coverage line.
This one, this is already with an adapter, right?
Yes.
There is one more for the car.
Yes.
For these magnets here,
Yes.
and extra door.
Okay.